Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code 802.4a111112. So to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start, then click on Settings. Now scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here you will see Windows Update, click on Run. Now follow the screen instruction which you see and wait a couple of minutes. And once this process complete, close it and restart. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve Windows Update error at 02.4a1112. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.